Hello friend, welcome to the live study channel. Today I am going to discuss string interview question and answer for fresher and also experienced candidate. So let's start. My first question is how to remove white space from string in Java using built-in method. In this method, we use replace all method of a string class to remove all white space including tab also from a string. This is one of the easiest method to remove space from a string in Java. Replace all method take two parameter. One is string to be replaced and another one is string to be replaced with. We pass the string inverted comma is a far backward slash s plus to be replaced with an empty string. This method removes space at the end, space at the beginning, and space between the words. For example, you can create a class means remove white space and also import the scanner is the input scanner. You can also create the main method public static void main method and scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Output is a enter input string to be declared from white space. String input string is equal to sc dot next line and string white out space is equal to input string dot replace all method. You can pass the is a string plus one s1 system dot out means sop input string plus input string you can print and another sop is a string input string without is a without space means plus string without space and also you can sc dot close method. Move to the another question. Another question is what is a string pool in a Java. First of all, a string pool is a special storage area in a Java heap. Java heap is a means a heap memory, right? Mostly allocated on for general space to store literal like any constants means this one. Store heap memories means for any store means like live something like this. When Java program created a new string using string literal, JVM check for that string in a pool. String is pool. If string literal is already present in a string pool, then the same object is returned in need of is creating a whole new object. This one. A string pool check is only performed when you create a string as a literal. If you are created a string using the new operator means like one new operator, a new string object will created even if a string with the same content is a variable available in a pool. Move to the another question. Another question is anagram program in a Java. Simple word. My question is what is an anagram? Anagram if two string contain same set of character. If two string contain same set of character but in a different order, then two string are called anagram. For example, now and on, tone, not, fiber, Brief. Anagram program in Java using sort and equal method. Right? Means now convert the two string into uppercase and remove all white space. Convert two string into char array using two character array. Sort the two character array using sort method of java.util.array class. After sorting, we compare both the array using equal method. Right? Suppose now and on is output is true. Into the another question. Another question is, what is a string joiner? But in a little bit, just I'm creating. It's a very most important question. Just move in a previous question. Just in my mind, I'm also discuss in an anagram program. It's a very most important question. Okay. Suppose how to convert sign integer to a string, right? But okay, no issue. I will discuss this in the next video. So move to the another question. Another question is, what is a string joiner? A string joiner is a class introduced in a Java 8 for joining separate string into one, like taking a list of colors and returning them as a comma delimited string. We can supply a delimiter as well as a prefix and a suffix. Means string joiner, you can create a variable joiner is equal to new string joiner like this one. Okay, means it's comma, inverted comma, joiner dot add a red, joiner dot add a green, joiner dot add a blue. As set equal as a red, green, blue, joiner dot to string a method. Move to the another question. Another question is, how can we get a character array from a string? A string provide two char array which return a copy of its internal char array pre JDK 9 and convert to string to the new char array in a JDK 9 plus. Okay, as set dot equal is equal to new string hello and hello world. You can also the character array and we have the to the char array. Another question is, how can we check if a string is a palindrome or not? A palindrome is any sequence of characters that read the same backward or forward, such as medium, rather, or label. To check if a string is palindrome, we can start iterating the given string forward and backward in a single loop, one character at a time. The loop exists at the first mismatch. Another question is, how do you swap to string variable without using third or temp variable variable in a Java? Public class swap without temp is you can create the main method, means string a is equal to love and string is a view. System is a print out. SOP is a before swap, means +1 AB and a is equal to a plus b is equal to a dot substring 0 length, and you can create the same. And another way is to create the using the is not a any other variable. Another question is, how do you find the value of a character at a specific position? The string class provides a method char at int position which returns a single character, which character will be method return depend on the specified argument position. Like in array, 0 represent the first character index in a string and length -1 represent the last character index. Another question is, how do we convert a string to integer? The integer class provides three methods that allow us to convert string to integer. Means parse int method, value of method, or decode method. They are pretty straightforward and return integer with a passed string. Another question is, what are the way to compare a string? We can compare a string using the equal method, double operator, equal operator, and compare two method. When we compare a string using the equal method, we are compare the content of the string, whether these string have the same content or not. When we compare a string using the equal operator, we are comparing the reference of a string, whether they variable are pointing to the same string object or not. Also, we can compare string lexicographically, compare string by alphabetical order. We can use the compare to method to compare the string lexicographically, and compare to method return the negative integer 0 as a positive integer, like this one. Okay, move to the another question. Another question is, how to check if the string is empty. Java string class has a special method to check if the string is empty or not. Is a empty method. Okay, internally check if the length of the string is 0. If the string is 0, that means the string is empty, and is a empty method will return true. If a length of a string is not 0, then the empty method will return false. Move to the another question. Another question is, what is the format method in a Java string, and what is difference between the format method and the printf method? Format method and printf method, both format is a string. Only difference is that the format method return the formatted string and printf method print the formatted string. You can remember it. Means print method return the formatted string, but printf method will print the formatted string. So when you want to formatted string to using in a program, you can use the format method, and when you want to print formatted string, then you can use the printf method. Another question is a string comparison with the equals method and equal operator. Okay, there are generally two ways to compare object using the equal operator and using the equal method. Equal operator compare for object reference, either memory address equality. So if two string objects are referring to same literal in a string pool or same string object in heap, then s equal to t will return true, otherwise is false. Equal method is overridden in a string class, and it is verify the char sequence hold by string object. If they are stored the same character sequence, the s.equal method will return true, otherwise is false. Another question is, how to convert string to byte array and vice versa. We can use string get byte method to convert string to byte array, and we can use string constructor new string byte array to convert byte array to string. Like this one, means you can create string str is equal to live study, like byte array is equal to str dot byte get byte method. Another question is, Write a program to print all permutation of a string. A permutation is a rearrangement of the elements of an ordered list of characters in such a way that each arrangement is unique with respect to other arrangement. For example, below as we a permutation of string means ABC, ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CBA, and CAB. For example, create a string, okay, string test. You can also create the use the main method, and then system.out.print, okay, ABC means printed ACB, BCA, ABC, CBA, BAC, CAB. And I also create the public static set string that get permutation string. Then all permutation set means set string permutation set is equal to new hash set string, okay. And if the string is equal to null, the string dot length is equal to 0. If permutation set dot add, otherwise else first character is string char init is equal to new string dot character add 0. Full string without first character means string rem is equal to new dot substring 1. Recursive all means set string word set is equal to get permutation return rem. For loop, you can create for loop means string word set is equal to for int I is equal to 0, I less than is equal to word dot length I plus plus permutation set dot add char insert add word init I, pass the argument and return the permutation set means a public static string character string dot str the character in position. The beginner str is equal to 0, position string end is equal to str dot substring first step and return the beginner plus c plus end is a comparative method, okay. And then also the close. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this video. Thank you so much.